Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. So I'm here at the Town and Country BMW. So there's a lot of nice cars here, but I just wanted to do a little walk around. So there's a sign, Mark on BMW. So a lot of these cars over here, they're only 2 years old. So I said, let's come down and do like a nice walk around. Now this one is quite nice, 2019, so I believe 2 or 3 years old. So what I'm gonna do with you guys now, I'm gonna do a walk around. So let's say if you're buying a 2 to 3 years old vehicle, this is gonna be the condition. So let's you go around over here, and I'm gonna kind of point some issues that I can see. Now I went around quite a few of them, and believe it or not, I cannot find a lot of damage. So let me show you over here. Usually what I notice with the used vehicles, there is a lot of stone chips here on the hood, but I'll let you see over here, that is actually not an issue at all. So let you see, I'm pretty impressed because these cars get driven on the highway. So let you see over here. Now I'm not gonna look over here, there's no curb rash. So I'm pretty impressed because these are your kind of like mass-produced vehicles that they do take a beating and whatnot. So I said, let's come down and show you, because this will be kind of relevant example over here. Now there is there's some mud in there. I'll let you see over here. Nothing that can be cleaned off. Now the area here that takes a beating, and I've seen this with my previous Beamers, will be this little trunk area over there. So that is usually the area that there's some scuffs from the heavy use. Over here, usually the back window is mint, but this is the area that I'm talking about. See, this little, believe it or not, in this particular situation here, I cannot find any damage, and I'm taking this video here at a really nice sunlight. By the way, I do apologize if there's a lot of wind noise. It's a very windy day today. So let you see over here. Now I'm gonna walk around. So look over here. Now let's look at this wheel as well. So look, no damage as well. So if you find one of these with the with low mileage, 3 years old, particularly in this case, there's still a 1 year warranty left. When I said 1 year comprehensive warranty, I'll let you see this one here. Very nice condition. Now I'm gonna zoom in on the headlights. Really nice LED, and I don't see any stone chips. And I'll let you see the hood. I don't see any damage whatsoever. Now I've been around before I did this, decided to filming. I've been quite around few of them, and I couldn't find any damage. Now I will point to this one over here. Now you see, there's a scuff in there. Is this a dirt? No, that's a scuff. This can be touched up pretty nicely and buffed after, that you're not going to be able to tell. But so far, for a 3 years old vehicle, I'm pretty impressed. So this is the point of this video today. I came here to do a little walk around. You can see the cars are in pretty nice condition. I'm gonna quickly go over here to my right. There's a really nice one over here. See, the black one. Oh boy, this black one is really nice. Now I'll let you, this one is also for sale. I'm pretty sure it's a lease return or something, but I'll let you see the paint job. Wow, this thing is just unbelievable. Not that many swirls in it, and I will let you know that the black definitely shows. If there's a swirls in it, the black will definitely show over here. Now let's zoom out. You can see this beautiful vehicle, X3. So I believe 2-3 years old. Really nice vehicle over here. Again, I'm gonna try to go over here a little bit just so see I can point some damage here, but Very, very nice. As you can see, I'm still kind of learning how to take advantage of this gimbal, but this is basically it. Pretty impressed with X3 and X1. This one doesn't come with the sunroof, which is very weird. I never seen the X3 with the without the sunroof. But there you go. So I hope you found this useful. Like, subscribe, and take care. Bye bye.